Hi everyone, this is Megha here. I have joined Nicky's kitchen for 2 days for baking classes. Niti Jain ma'am is she gives very important and basic tips to bake the cake, and the 2 days workshop was very enjoyable, and our group mates and all together we have enjoyed a lot and decorated a very like Barbie doll cake, Doraemon cake, and Makar Sankranti cake and all. So we'll learn all the professional cakes how they make, like checkerboard cake and garanchi, and all these varieties of cake you can learn from Nicky's kitchen. So I would recommend, if you wanted to learn a baking classes, then please join Nicky's kitchen in the which is situated in the Secunderabad. So she teaches with a very calm, patient, and she's very supportive. So I always highly recommend it for baking classes or all other cooking classes for Nicky's kitchen. Thank you.